What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video I have a very exciting new method for you for making money with Clickbank. This is a completely free, 100% free method, and so you have to pay close attention to how you do it. Nobody else has talked about this method. This is a brand new method, and so pay close attention to how you do it. Alright, so the step one is you want to find out what kind of niche you want to promote. This is how you always start. What kind of niche you want to promote? If you go to Clickbank, there's a lot of niches, and if you're new to Clickbank, you kind of have to familiarize yourself with what kind of niche you want to promote, what do you want to do. So pretty much you can promote any niche you want. But in this video, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be talking about the make money online niche, since that's a great niche to start with. There's always money in that niche, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And then if you want to go out and try something else, you have an option of promoting a different niche, okay? So what we want to do is we want to go into e-business and e-marketing here. There's also business and investing. And we want to find a couple of really good offers. Now I like to sort this by gravity, just to see some of the popular offers. And this offer has a gravity of 240, 186, 136, 96, 93, right? So these are all cool. So kind of take a look and see what kind of offers kind of connect with you, right? Because they're all kind of very similar. This is perpetual income 365. You're getting 90 per sale, 46 per sale, 21 per sale, 27, 125 per sale, 65, right? So what you want to do is you want to go down these offers and you want to understand what problem this offer solves. And I'm going to explain to you a little bit later in the video why that is important. But like a little hint is that, you kind of want to know what the problem it solves, right? Is it traffic? Is it advertising? Is it funnels? Is it this? Is it that? There's all kinds of things, right? And so we have the 12-minute affiliate system. This is a hot offer. And who else wants to make 50%? And you can kind of read about it, right? But if I scroll down, it says get paid to use Facebook. So this is a little bit different, right? I'm looking for entrepreneur type offers, right? And so there's a free traffic systems. Flood your sites with free traffic. So this is an offer that it solves the problem of free traffic. Okay, so there you go. You found an offer, it has a gravity of 68. And you're making 65 per sale. Here's another one: my online startup private partner program. Okay, turn text to speech, human voices, get paid. Let's see what else. Video marketing blaster. Okay, rank videos #1 page of Google and YouTube. Okay, so this solves the problem of ranking videos. Okay, so you have an offer that gives you 21, right? Then you have PLR products. Then you have all kinds of things. Let's go into business and investing and see if there's anything there. This is Wood Profits, Forex, Ultimate Profit Solution. This is Forex again. That's another niche, right? Forex is still making money online, but that's a separate niche. So we'll just kind of think of it as a separate niche. So let's go back into our e-business, right? So e-business and marketing. Let's stick there. And so you want to pick a couple of offers. The more offers you pick, the better, okay? Because we're going to be promoting these offers in multiple ways, okay? And so the site we're going to be promoting them is this one right here. And this site is called eBay. And I'm sure you have heard of this site. This site gets an immense amount of traffic. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our offers and we're going to package them into an ebook that we can sell on eBay. Now, you can sell it for $20 this ebook, so you're going to be making money by selling the ebook. And when when the person who is reading the ebook is going to click on the link and sign up, and you're going to get commissions. But what I recommend is to sell it for something like $1.99, even like $1.99, something small. You want to be basically giving it away, okay? Because the money you're going to be making is going to be in the commissions, okay, from the affiliate offers. And so if I go on the eBay, right, and you can do a lot of like really nice things on eBay, right? I basically type how to make money online, and right away I have different how to make soap, and these are books, right? These are books, and this is a generic search term. And the fact that it shows up when I basically type it means that there are people searching for it, okay? And so, eBay is not Google, it's not YouTube, but it still gets a lot of search volume. And so a lot of people don't really expose this angle. So if I type how to make money online and I do this search, okay? And guess what? I have search results. I have listings. People are making money. This is a sponsored listing. This is another sponsored listing. And eBay also has sponsored listings where you can purchase for a little bit extra to have it appear above everybody else in the search results. So you can do that if you want. You do not need to do that, because here's one: how to make money online using your YouTube channel. It's $220, right? Free shipping. How to make money online by Alan Woods. Passive income. How to make money online. $10. If I were him, I would just make it 99 cents. Just give it away, right? Just give it away. Almost giving it away. Now, how to make money online. And this is what we're going to be doing, okay? So we're going to be creating an ebook. We're going to be talking about some of the offers, and I'm going to explain to you, right? Keep watching this video because there's a lot of little nuances, a lot of little details, okay? Keep watching this video. I'm going to explain to you how to do it correctly so you're not making any mistakes, okay? So you want an ebook. If you have a blog, if you have a site, you can repurpose that content and create an ebook, okay? You can do that. I know I had some people asking me before I got emails, about similar methods. You can do that. But assuming you have nothing, right? What you need to do is you need to basically Google something called PLR, okay? So you just Google something called PLR, something like this. And PLR stands for private label rights. And we're living in a capitalistic society. Everything is for sale. You can buy anything you want. Well, almost anything, really. And so you can purchase content and you can purchase the rights to that content, okay? Meaning like you can purchase that ebook that somebody wrote and you can create, you can do whatever you want with it, and then you can resell it. That's what PLR is, private label rights. And so you can learn more about it at this Wikipedia link if you want. But really, you want to kind of browse the sites, and there's a lot of sites and they actually give you free content when you sign up. Some of them do, and it's pretty decent content, okay? And so I basically signed up a while ago for this Buy QualityPLR.com. And if we go in here, I'm in my account here. This was back in April. And so they gave me a free gift just by me signing up. But this was actually a pretty nice ebook. This was actually a pretty nice piece of content. And so I'm going to go and download it. I'm going to show you what it looks like if you're not aware. I basically view this. This is a purchase confirmation, right? And we're going to download. And this ebook is called Build Your First Email List for Free, okay? And so let me download this and I'll show you what it looks like so that you have a good idea of what it's all about, okay? Because it's absolutely free. And so I basically uploaded this ebook into my Google Docs, and Google Docs is absolutely free. You can edit this ebook to your heart's content. This ebook is 11 pages. And remember, if you're giving away content for 99 cents, and that's kind of giving away, it's only 99 cents. They shouldn't be expecting a lot. This is 11 pages. And you can pretty much, you have the content ready. Now, of course, we are talking about making money online. So you do have to edit it, right? You still have to edit it, because what you need to do is you need to basically go out and modify the content and put in your affiliate link. So we were here in Max Bounty. We have the world's #1 ebook creator, right? If they want to make money, let's say they want to make money using ebooks or something else, you want to have this affiliate link. If they want to do, let's say we had another offer, we had this one, Video Marketing Blaster, how to rank video #1, and you can tie that in by basically, telling them to create their YouTube channel and make money with that. Make money online is very, very general and very, very flexible. You can shape it any way you want. And so using the method that I'm talking about, I basically got this for free. You can go out and maybe purchase something for a little bit, a little money. It's not very expensive. And that's going to be very specific to making money online. So you won't need to make as many changes. But if you're like me, you want to save money, you're on a budget, maybe you don't have a lot of money, maybe times are tough, then what I recommend is basically getting something like this for free and editing it, right? Create a structure. It's going to be very simple, very quick process. All you need to do is basically edit it, right? So this ebook has, here's the table of contents. There's list building and its benefit, list building essential, squeeze pages and their uses, content creation. And so there's content creation, right? And so you can basically edit that part. You can even rename this ebook to like making money online, because that's kind of what building a list is, right? list building, right? List building is one type of making money online. And, since we actually decided to do make money online, and this is kind of what you want to go with. And so what you want to do is you want to modify. So if you want to work like my method, assuming you don't want to start from scratch, you basically download this ebook that I have here, and you basically modify. So like content creation, right? You basically scroll to content creation. Let's see where that is. So squeeze pages, and there uses content creation. And so this is content creation. You can also talk about like creating a YouTube video, right? Creating a YouTube channel, creating a YouTube video, and then in the description, putting something, right? Putting like, hey, sign up here for this. And then once you're talking about YouTube, you can basically insert this offer here. Hey, by the way, if you want to rank your videos on #1 page of Google and YouTube, then check out this offer here, right? You need to tie these offers, right? This is for digital PLR products. They're paying $20, $21 per sale, right? And it has a gravity of 60. So these are all popular offers, right? This is not an offer that's like sitting on some shelf somewhere that nobody even looks at, right? These offers convert, but what you have to do is you basically need to download this book, and there's so much PLR content out there. I'm just giving you an example. Even like on my site, this Buy QualityPLR.com, I can basically go to niche bundles, PLR products, PLR article, autoresponder series, right? And they might be a little bit of money, right? They might be, sometimes they're free, sometimes they're a little bit of money, $5, right? $5 is pretty much free, right? $5, top quality, getting started as a freelance writer, right? You can sell that ebook, but that's another story altogether. And so you can download what you want, or you can be like me, right? Somebody who wants to, just do it himself. And you can basically modify it, restructure this content, sprinkle these offers on there, and you're gonna have a quality ebook. And this ebook is pretty cool. Like, this is a good ebook, right? This is a decent ebook. I actually was reading it and I was pretty impressed. For 11 pages and free content, it was a pretty decent ebook. Like, a beginner can learn. Actually, it's not 11 pages. I was wrong. It's 27 pages. When I said 11, it didn't load fully. Look, they even tell you how to create a funnel. You can basically use this ebook. Just go on, buyqualityplr.com, sign up for a free account. Use this ebook and just change it around. Put in some offers there. And then what you want to do is you want to basically download it as a you can download as a PDF. You can download as EPUB. Okay, so you can do one or the other. You can do as both. I would recommend just do both, PDF and EPUB, and then zip it together. And so when they download it or buy it for 99 cents, they're going to have two. They're going to have PDF that they can open on their computer, and EPUB that they can open on their reader, Kindle reader, or a lot of these readers you can open them on your desktop. I have my own. I use a Kindle, and I have a desktop app for Kindle, so I can open it, and while I'm reading it, I can click on a link and then sign up for the offer. Right? So that's the way it works. So that's what you're going to do is, now this is very important, okay? Do not miss this step. You know what the problem is with these listings here? Do you have any idea? I'm going to tell you what the problem is. The problem is the image. The image is very low quality. This is somebody who just spent 5 minutes on, not even Photoshop. I don't even know what they used to do. It's ugly. It doesn't look very good, right? You want to create something that looks a little bit more professional, okay? And you're going to, this is like low quality stuff, right? And so there's a couple of ways of doing it, okay? I've done ebooks, and I'm going to show you how to do ebooks in another video. But you can do it a couple of ways. You can go into Fiverr and just type ebook cover, and you're going to have, well, this is expensive, but these look so nice. Look at this. Cover is everything. If you're selling ebooks, let me give you a piece of advice. Very important, covers, right? And so you have covers. So ignore these $225. You don't need to spend that much. I spent like $15 for my first ebook, right? And so you have $35, you have $5, and this is kids book cover. You have $25, and so you have $5 here. And so, here's one, here's $5. And even a $5 basic cover is going to be better than this crap here, right? And, excuse my language, but I don't know what else you can call that, right? This is not very professional, and it's kind of lazy. Now, you have another option. If you don't want to use Fiverr for creating your cover, just basically Google for ebook cover generator, and you're going to have some interesting ones. So here's one. It's called DIYbookcovers.com, and you can basically create an ebook like this, right? And sometimes they're free. Sometimes they're like a couple of bucks. I think I use the free one, so I can basically pick this one. I can pick, yeah, I already picked this one. I can go to next, and I have an ebook cover. And then when you go on eBay and you want to basically, you need to create an account. It's open to everybody in the world. You basically, it's very self-explanatory. So for instance, if I go in here, I can basically click on sell here. I'm already logged in. I can click sell, and I can basically go forward. Now, eBay has a couple of types of listings, right? It's not only, it's not just auctions. You can also do it buy it now. And I would recommend you're going to be doing buy it now. And in some cases, you can click on a listing and you can even do something like have one to sell. You can basically go on a listing and type this sell now, and it's basically going to pre-populate the entire listing for you. And you just need to modify a couple of things, right? You just need to modify this, and you need to modify the cover, and you need to modify the ebook. And so, this is a pro tip. You don't need to create just one, right? You can actually go ahead and create different ones in different niches for different categories. But this is, this is another one. This is another video altogether. But I just wanted to throw it in there, right? If you want. This is extremely flexible. eBay is huge. It gets a lot of traffic. There's a lot of eyeballs on eBay. And so this is a very, very legit method. And so if you're not sure about something, watch the entire video. There's a lot of nuances, a lot of things. If you still have any questions or comments, you want to comment on something, you're not sure about something, leave your questions or comments below. Would be happy to help you out. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I really, really hope you've gotten value from it. Like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We only talk about here making money online using affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and lots of other methods that I'm going to be covering in future videos. We make videos every single day, and so stay tuned. You're going to get quality content. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss new videos and you get a head start on a new method or a new technique that really hasn't been talked about before. All right, guys? So once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.